Glory to God the Father and Son Yeshua Mashiach. Ezra Chapter 3. Spiritual readying of the people. When the 7th month arrived, after the people of Israel had resettled in the towns, the people gathered with one accord in Jerusalem. Then Yeshua the son of Yotzedek with his fellow Kohanim, and Zerubbabel the son of Shealtiel with his kinsmen, organized rebuilding the altar of the God of Israel, so that they could offer burnt offerings on it, as is written in the Torah of Moshe the man of God. They set up the altar on its former bases. Despite feeling threatened by the peoples of the surrounding countries, they offered on it burnt offerings to Adonai, the morning and evening burnt offerings. They observed the festival of Sukkot as written, offering daily the number of burnt offerings prescribed for each day. And afterwards the regular burnt offering, the offerings for Rosh Chodesh and those for all the designated times set apart for Adonai, as well as those of everyone who volunteered a voluntary offering to Adonai. From the first day of the 7th month, they began offering burnt offerings to Adonai, even though the foundation of Adonai's temple had not yet been laid. Foundation of the temple is laid. They also gave money for the stone workers and carpenters, as well as food, drink and olive oil for the people of Zidon and Zor, bringing cedar logs from the Lebanon to the sea and on to Yaffo, in accordance with the authorization granted by Koresh king of Persia. In the 2nd year after their arrival at the house of God in Jerusalem, in the 2nd month, Zerubbabel the son of Shealtiel, Yeshua the son of Yotzedek, the rest of their kinsmen the Kohanim and Levium, and all who had come out of exile to Jerusalem began the project. They appointed the Levium aged 20 and up to direct work in the house of Adonai. Yeshua and his sons and brothers, Kadmiel and his sons, and Yehuda's sons together directed the workers in the house of God, also the sons of Henadad, with their sons and their kinsmen the Levium. When the builders laid the foundation of the temple of Adonai, the Kohanim in their robes, with trumpets, and the Levium the sons of Asaph, with cymbals, took their places to praise Adonai, as David king of Israel had instructed. They sang antiphonally, praising and giving thanks to Adonai, for he is good, for his grace continues forever, toward Israel. All the people raised a great shout of praise to Adonai, because the foundation of the house of Adonai had been laid. But many of the Kohanim, Levium and heads of fathers' clans, the old men who had seen the first house standing on its foundation, wept out loud when they saw this house, while others shouted out loud for joy. So that the people couldn't distinguish the noise of the joyful shouting from the noise of the people's weeping, for the people were shouting so loudly that the noise could be heard at a great distance.